This is a picture of a lush and healthy rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth and is huge at about the same size as the continental United States. And here it is, after it has been slashed and is ready to be burned. In the last 40 years, 17% of the rainforest has been lost to deforestation. But why would we want to cut down the rainforest that is home to so many animals? Well, there's several reasons. People use that forest to sustain life as we know it. We cut down trees to build furniture, make paper, and to use for fuel. We use the cleared land for ranching and farming so that we can feed the world's population. Sometimes the land is cleared so that we can mine. We need special ores, gemstones, and other elements to build things like solar panels and cell phones. As populations grow, the need for space for homes, schools, and shopping centers increases, and the forest is sometimes cut down so that we can build in its place. The forest gets weakened by these surrounding uses, and forest fires get out of control, whether started by lightning or slash-and-burn agriculture gone wrong. When this happens, it is a huge loss of habitat for many plants and animals that live inside the rainforest. There are over 3 million species that live in the Amazon. It is the most biodiverse place on Earth. When their habitat is gone, though, how can they survive? Biodiversity is important because it keeps ecosystems healthy that provide us with food and clean air. Every species has a role to play, and taking just one species away can upset the balance of everything else around it. Some tropical crops even require a healthy ecosystem to produce. Did you know without little tiny gnats, we wouldn't be able to have chocolate? Without small agoutis and orchid bees, there would be no Brazil nuts. There are still unknown species of plants in the rainforest that could hold the secrets to cures for diseases. If they are cut down, we may never discover them. Additionally, trees sequester carbon or hold on to it so it isn't floating around in our atmosphere. They also affect the world's weather patterns. If we lose 33% of the Amazon rainforest, just 16% more than we already have, it will change the climate of the area and will have a runaway effect that will change weather patterns as far away as the United States. As the forest gets cut down, it causes soil erosion, and that soil is already sensitive to changes. Reforestation is hard work and takes a long time to grow the trees and welcome back the diversity of plants that once grew there. We still don't know all the long-term effects deforestation has on forests trying to recover. No matter which way we look at it, we need the rainforest. But how can we use our natural resources to support ourselves sustainably? One way is to lessen our dependence on palm oil. It is in everything, and because the demand is so high, the island of Borneo has lost almost 80% of its rainforest trying to keep up with the demand. Another thing you can do is donate to causes that are working towards reforestation. Plant trees at home and sponsor trees in the rainforest. By visiting countries to see their natural wonders, you show that you value the beauty of the earth and provide a way for that land to be economically valuable to the locals. If it makes money to keep the land protected, it'll more likely stay protected. By learning how to use land efficiently and how to plant it in harmony with nature, we can prevent further deforestation and regenerate life near developed areas. Being mindful of where your things come from and encouraging others to make mindful choices, we can help protect the rainforest for generations to come.